Our culture has a real problem in the poultry industry. On the one hand, farmers not being able to get into the factory farming system, and on the other end, we've got a chicken that system produces that's of dubious quality environmentally, of dubious quality nutritionally. And so as we look at these two issues within the system, the why of pastured poultry answers both of those. So we're going to look behind the scenes and see how even a small farmer on a small acreage with a small amount of capital can actually develop a full-time enterprise with pastured poultry, and how on the other end the consumer can enjoy a chicken that's actually nutritional, tastes good, has humane treatment principles behind it, and they can feel good about that chicken, and it's actually good for the environment, it's good for the economy, and it makes a chicken that's unbelievable in the world. Let's discover how to produce that together.